Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best masticating juicer you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Most people consider juicers are a nice appliance to have in a kitchen, but don't accept that it is something very necessary. It is because a person can easily go to a store and buy a juice of his favorite flavor. But for those who don't want to spend money on a thing that they can easily make at home at a low cost, masticating juicer are not less than a must to have a kitchen appliances. Masticating juicer use the press and crush method to extract every drop of juice from fruit and vegetables. So here we are to provide the detail of the top 2 best masticating juicer in the market. This list is based on my personal opinion and researches and listed them based on random numbering. If you want more information or updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 2, Omega NC900 HDC. Omega is a trustable brand that provides you with a several quality product, and Omega NC900 HDC is one of them. Omega NC900 HDC has a smooth design body shape that weighs 13 pounds with an opening of 1.5 by 2 inches in a diameter. One of the problems that we face from juicer is their excessive noise that may bother other people around us, especially sleepy ones. But Omega NC900 HDC with even 2 horsepower is quiet and creates less noise. Omega NC900 HDC comes up with 2 containers, 34 oz for juice and 42 oz for pulp collection. Pros of Omega NC900 HDC: it has a strong motor, less noise, and ultimate auger. Cons of Omega NC900 HDC: not so budget friendly, slow compared to centrifugal juicers. On number 1, Kuvings EVO820GM. With advanced design, Kuvings EVO820GM is simple to use. Yes, as with any other masticating juicer, it has many components, but it won't take much time for someone to get used to it. Kuvings EVO820GM comes up with a large feeding chute that is approximately 10% bigger than some other masticating juicers. One thing that you have to keep in mind that Kuvings EVO820GM is not a dishwasher safe product. You have to put some effort into cleaning, although if cleaning regularly it won't take more than 5 to 10 minutes. Pros of Kuvings EVO820GM: it has less noise, bigger feeding chute, and easy to assemble. Cons of Kuvings EVO820GM: not good for dishwasher, slow as compared to centrifugal juicer. So guys, this was the video about the best masticating juicer. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.